Google Ads is Google's online advertising program. It enables you to create online ads to reach people when they're interested in products and services you offer. When users search on Google, the results are displayed on the search engine's result page. These results often include paid adverts that target the user's search. For example, if we search for loan, Google displays a list of results. This page is known as the search engine results page. This page will contain a number of adverts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 adverts at the top, and a number of so-called organic results which aren't paid for. These ads here are triggered by the keyword loan, which the user uses. These adverts have specified loan as a target, which means that when the user searches for loan, those ads will be triggered. Google Ads have a number of distinct benefits over more traditional advertising types. There is no minimum budget. You can spend as little or as much as you want. Because ads are charged on a cost per click basis, and the cost of a click starts at as little as 1 penny, you can set a very small budget just to test how well it works for your business. Broadly speaking, with Google Ads, you compete alongside major brands on an equal basis. I've done a search here for 𝒀𝒐𝒏, which is a popular soft toy in the UK. So if we look at the ads here, there's Hamleys, which is one of the world's most famous toy stores on Regent Street. 𝒀𝒐𝒏𝒏 is a national chain of baby stores. Amazon needs no introduction. The Works is another national chain of stores. John Lewis, big department store in the UK. And then if we go a little bit further along here, then we have my business, Hello Babies. Waterstone's another chain. On buys a big marketplace. 𝒂𝒐𝒏, another big chain. So my business is advertising alongside much bigger businesses on an equal footing. Google Ads are mostly charged on a cost per click basis. That means you only pay for traffic which is driven to your site. A user clicks on an ad and you are charged for that click when they come to your site. By comparison, if you would buy, say, a magazine ad, you would just pay a fixed amount of money for that ad and you would be no guarantee about how much traffic you'd get. The ads are highly targeted. They enable you to reach customers when they're in the process of searching for products and services. Returning to our earlier example of a customer who's searching for loans on Google, the user is interested in loans and has used the keyword loan in their search. Google serves ads based on the context of the user's search, and so they will get information about loans alongside adverts for loans. You're reaching a customer when in the process of looking for products and services. Google allows you to reach both national and international customers. See, Google is one of the world's biggest companies. It has an international scope. You can buy adverts in your home country, but you can also buy them in other countries as well. My business, we advertise in about 20 countries through Google Product Search. It's very easy to set up. It's very easy to run. It means that we can reach a whole lot of customers we couldn't otherwise reach. Google offers multiple campaign types. Depending on what the kind of business you are and the kind of products you sell, Google will have an advertising type which is relevant for you. For example, this is a shopping ad format, which is very good for physical products. You can see it's visual merchandising for physical products. But if you were advertising something which is less visual, so for example, car insurance, the ads would be text-based ads, which would be contextual to the search that the customer is making. Finally, the Google Ad platform allows you to reach users not only on Google and Google's associated properties such as YouTube, but also around the web. Here is an example of a site called Price Runner, which is a shopping comparison engine. And these ads on the right-hand side are actually generated by Google's system. They're called display ads, which is another type of Google ad. Finally, Google Ads are straightforward to set up and to manage. Google is investing heavily in machine learning, and a lot of heavy work is now being done by Google for you. You merely need to set the targets and your goals for a campaign, and Google will go out and find customers for your business.